What's up? It's Richy Customs. You click this video because you want to learn how to paint your sock liner, learn how to dye it. I mean, look at the title, right? That's why you clicked it. All right, I cannot talk too much because we're gonna do it in 3 minutes. Yes, 3 minutes. Please, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If this is your first time watching, hey, welcome. If this is your second or third time watching, welcome back. Let's do it. These are the supplies you will be needing. First, grab your preferred color of shoe paint. I chose fire red. And then you grab your GAC or GAC 900. This is the same thing as Angela's Too Thin. And of course, you would need a shoe to do this, right? Paint brushes and mixing jars. Now let's get into it. 50-50 ratio. Your paint and GAC 900. Like such. Once you have those two in the mixing jar, give it a shake. And this is what it should look like, all liquidy. Thin enough for you to brush on your sock liner or your fabric. Alright, now it's time for the easiest part in the world. Grab you a paintbrush, put it inside that mix we made, and put you some strokes on your sock liner. Or wherever you want to paint, but it has to be fabric. Final step, important step. Grab your blow dryer and heat set the paint that is mixed. You must heat set it for it to stick and stay. And you can use a heat gun, but please have it on low setting. I like using a blow dryer because the blow dryer will get it done and you won't have to risk burning it. Depends on your color and coverage. You may have to do more than one coat. And voila, we're all done. Hey, if you like this video, leave a like. If you dislike this video, leave a like. Thanks for watching.